Hi, this is Greg from the Nassau Lionel Operating Engineers Train Club of Levittown, New York. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing Lionel's new Vision Line GG1 locomotive. So here we go. Locomotive is still factory sealed in the shipping carton. Got a box cutter. Let's crack it open. Open this end. Alright, I changed the camera angle a little bit. Hopefully give a better look as we're doing it. This is the first time I've done a video unboxing anything, and thought it would be a fun way to break this out for the first time. So, here we have it. Lionel's standard Vision Line black box. Instructions are important. Don't need that foam. Pretty exciting. Pretty cool stuff so far. One thing I always loved is their Vision Line. The black boxes, I really think, stand out. And I think it really kind of, the orange and blue boxes are so classic, everyone loves it. When you change the box and you're changing the line, I think it really makes you realize that you got something a little better than, the standard product. So, okay. I can say, very nice job packaging this. Some great foam inserts on the sides here. You can tell it didn't move around or anything while it was in transit. Okay. Being overly careful with an audience watching. So let's see what we got in the box. We have our legacy module, got some extra traction tires, the Lionel smoke pipette. There was the great inserts. We're holding the nose into the box, kept it from moving around. I don't know if that's going to show up. That's a nice touch. Even in the foam packaging in the box, went a little bit further. So, try and bring the camera down. So you're going to see this for the first time along with me. So the version that I picked up is the number 4800 riveted version of the locomotive, which, well, easier to bring the locomotive to the camera, I guess. But you can see all of those cast-in detail rivets, which are just amazing. I'm so happy I picked this version. The main reason why I chose this version was because the number 4800 GG1, the riveted version, which there was only one of, is on display in Strasburg, Pennsylvania, in the Railroad Museum of Pennsylvania. And, ever since I was little, gone to that museum probably 30 times in my life. I've always seen this version of the GG1, always loved it, and it's kind of cool to actually have a nice scale model of a locomotive that you've seen and visited and seen in person. But first impressions are, wow. They really did a great job with the paint detail. Is beautiful, legible builder's plate Some great added piping and detail on the top. The pantographs are really something. This really is kind of above and beyond any model of a GG1 I've really seen from any manufacturer on any scale. All right, so we'll take just a quick peek around the locomotive. Get a couple of zoom in. There's the builder's plate. Oh, that rivet detail. It's really, really something. Bell. The piping across the top. See, little things like this. This is what I love. Little details like the danger, do not touch on the pantograph. Danger. Really kind of adds to the model, gives it that real idea of realism. Got the Pennsylvania Keystone at the end, marker lights, and all. Now I'm not going to go through all the individual features and details of this locomotive because I know I've already watched dozens and dozens of reviews of the engine. So I figured instead of doing that, I'd really just kind of give all, my first impressions. I always think that's a better review when you really kind of get down to it. So here we go. I have the locomotive on the track. I have already assigned my engine ID and I have it loaded into my legacy remote. So let's start it up and see how it goes. So right off the bat, very cool. Both pantographs come up. Nice little test. Make sure they're both working, it looks like. Looks like we have the rear pantograph up, which was correct for how these operate. You would always have the rear pantograph up and the lead pantograph down. So I'm going to assume if we press direction, the rear will come up and down. Very nice. Let's check out the horn. First thing I can say, first impression after starting this locomotive up, the fact that they have the dual speakers in this locomotive really jumps out, especially in the whole horn. It kind of echoes and resonates throughout the whole locomotive, which is pretty incredible. And we've got a bell, which is a bell. I dig that horn. Alright, let's pull up and see how we go. Ooh, and right away, as soon as you get that arcing effect in the pantograph, hopefully both that light and that cool sound are both coming through. Move back a little bit. get it up to speed, get a real run by. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I've activated the sequence control on the locomotive, which is a really cool feature included in all of the legacy locomotives, where once you start to turn the thumb wheel and get the engine moving, it'll cycle through the bell, the horn, and the crew talk all in a prototypical manner as if the real locomotive was moving. So as soon as we take it into speed step 1, we should get a forward horn and then some bell, and we'll see what the crew has to say.
GG1 4800 to the tower. We're on the roll. Over. Thanks, 4800. Copy that. Out. tied down and marking off. Out.
So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I hope you enjoyed the Vision Line GG1 maybe half as much as I'm enjoying it. So overall, I've really got to give this engine 100% A+ as far as my review goes. It's everything I thought it was going to be, and actually a lot more. I knew the level of detail and the level of sound were going to be superior, but once I got it on the track and once I got it out of the box, even having the highest expectation was surpassed. Hopefully from watching this, you've decided to go out and pick up one of these Vision Line GG1s for yourself, or if you have one that you haven't taken out of the box yet, hopefully it'll give you the inspiration to crack it open and run and enjoy as much as I'm enjoying mine. Thanks a lot for watching.